Hi everyone. In the earlier video, we have saved and restored the frame buffer of the mouse cursor wherever we used to move. Okay. So now, if I try to press any right click or the left click, we don't know where exactly we are pressing, right? At least from the programming perspective. So that's what we will look into it today. Okay. So now I will go back to the code. Okay. So now this is where we used to move the cursor, right? So now here, what I'm going to do, if we have this pointer state, right? So pointer state dot left button. So whenever this left button when we used to press, so at least for now, I'm going to print some debug prints, debug info, left button pressed, and along with that, I will try to print where exactly we are pressing that mouse pointer, right? So the current x is nothing but our percentage t, and then current y is equal to percentage t. Okay, and then here I will end the line and then x and y. Okay, and now similarly we used to have the right button as well. So here pointer state dot right button. Okay, and here I will say as right. Okay, so now if I go to this pointer state, right, so here we have, so these are the two variables which we are trying to access now. Okay, so what exactly it is happening, so if this left button is set to true, so then the left button is being pressed. If it is false, then it is not being pressed. And same applies for the right button as well. Okay. And where are we populating this pointer state? So this pointer state we are populating here, here. So whenever we used to call this get state, so this pointer state will get updated where it used to contain the x and y and z position along with whether the button has been pressed or not. Okay. So now let's try to build it. EDK setup and then build. Okay, so now I will run the WinHost. Okay, so now I will keep this serial console in the left side and then our GOP window on the right side. Okay, so now GOP sample driver. Okay, so now I'm moving the cursor. Now assume here I'm going to press the left button. Okay, so now here we can see left button is pressed and the X and Y position it has given. Okay, so now assume if I go back to that same window, if I press on the top left corner, you can see the x and y is 0 0. Okay, so now if I come down and if I press the button, the bottom left corner, right, so here you can see the x-axis is 0 and y-axis is 758, and same applies if I go back to top right corner. We can see y is 0 and then the x is we got this one, right? So where that's where in the earlier videos I used to mention that the frame buffer used to start with the top left corner and it goes all the way till bottom right corner, we can see here. Okay, so now in the next video probably we'll try to create some two boxes, and then if we select that box, then we used to print something and vice versa. Okay, and here we just saw on the left button, right? So if I try to print the right button, we can see the right button press is coming. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.